Does your shifter assembly look like this? First, install your wave washer. Then, take your shifter cup and identify the correct orientation. Then, insert the pins into the slots inside the shifter assembly. Before inserting the shifter, ensure that the collar is orientated correctly as shown here. Then, insert the shifter into the shifter assembly. Take this circlip, set it in the shifter cup like so. Take this snap ring, whack it into the groove here using a screwdriver. That's what it should look like. Apply some gear oil to the assembly, then you can go ahead and put your rubber shift boot on. And ensure your shift boot is oriented as shown here. Throw on your shift boots around, tighten those bolts up. Take this rubber band, which is for the shifter surround assembly, apply it to the shifter cover, then plug in any necessary wiring, and then you can go to town on putting the fascia back into place. Mine's broken, so it doesn't look very good. Then tighten your knob, make sure it's fitted correctly, and away you go.